Hi, my name is Tuli, and today I'll show you how to use our sourcing extension tool so that you can easily source your candidates to Teamtailor. Let's have a look. The sourcing extension works a little bit differently from our normal add-on features. However, you will still be able to find it in our add-on features library. When you click to your company name and add-on features, simply search for the feature by its name. And when you open it up, on the right-hand side, you would normally have an Activate button, but since this is something that you will need to download to your browser, scroll a little bit lower here and then head on over to our support article. In the support article, you'll be able to find the different browsers this extension is available for and choose the one that you're using and download it from there. Once you have downloaded the sourcing extension, you'll be able to find it with the rest of your browser extensions. For example, for me, it appears here. From this view, when we click onto the plus button, you'll be able to add candidates if you, for example, received a manual CV or found a CV somewhere online and you want to bring them to Teamtailor. Simply drag and drop the CV here into the top, and it will automatically pass the CV details just like so. You'll then have the opportunity of simply adding the candidate to your platform, or you can also add and view their profile. When you are viewing the candidate profile directly in the sourcing extension, from here you can easily add them to a job or even book a meeting with them. When your candidate has been added to the platform, you will of course also be able to find them in the candidate tab or also in the job if you did source them directly to one. When you open up the candidate profile, you'll find that they'll always have the source tag, as well as you'll be able to see who has sourced them into the platform. If you are sourcing your candidates from different platforms, for example, from LinkedIn, you can see that our sourcing extension will be able to follow you there, and the source is automatically also tracked. That way you can easily see where your candidates have been sourced from. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've got any questions or need help, you can always reach out to our support via the chat in your platform. Happy recruiting!